Grade 9 Geography second lesson. We are discussing our second lesson. What is the main topic? Landscape of Sri Lanka. We are discussing our second topic, landscape of Sri Lanka. Under this topic, now we are discussing about the natural vegetation in Sri Lanka. Natural vegetation in Sri Lanka. Trees, plants, and creepers that grow without the intervention of man, defined as natural vegetation. Under this topic, we discuss about the various type of forests, tropical wet forest. There are about 7 types of forest. What are they? Tropical wet forest, dry mix evergreen forest, intermediate evergreen forest, hill country, wet zone forest, hill country, dry zone forest, thorny bushes and scrublands, mangroves. Last week we discussed about the tropical wet forest. Look at your notes. We discussed about the forest type located in this area, tropical wet forest. What are the other name for this one? Tropical wet forest. What are the other name for?
Wet evergreen forests.
Yes, wet evergreen forest. Or we can say rainforest, tropical rainforest. Vesi vanantara. Tropical rainforest. Today we have to discuss about the next type of forest. Dry mix evergreen forest. Dry mix evergreen forest. What is the area? Dry mix evergreen forest. Can you understand the area? Which area? Dry mix evergreen forest. These forests are distributed throughout the low country dry zone, this area. Dry mix evergreen forests are distributed in this area. Here, these are the area. Can you see? These are the area. Dry mix evergreen forests. Dry mix evergreen forests are distributed throughout the low country dry zone. This area, low country as well as dry zone. These are the areas. What are the type of forests that you have heard? What are the type of forests? What are the forests located in this area? Now you know the type of forest, dry mix evergreen forest. What are the example for these forests? What are the example for this type of forest? Somavatiya, Vilpattu, Yala, Maduroya, Udawalawa, Vasgamuwa, floodplains of river, Mahavali. These are example for the dry mix evergreen forest. What are the type of forests? What are the features? What are the features of forest? What are the features? Do you have gone dry zone? Here you can see dry zone. Here. Dry zone forest. Features of vegetation. Height of the trees between 20 to 30 meters. These are not very high. 20 to 30 meters. But in wet zone, height of trees is between 30 to 40 meters. But in this area, height of the trees is between 20 to 30 meters. Trees grow during the rainy season and growth rate is less during the dry season. Do you know sometimes in some period of the year, during some period of year, droughts occur in this area. So trees grow during rainy season because water is essential to grow plants. So trees grow during rainy season and growth rate is less during dry season due to lack of rainfall. Can you understand? The trees grow during the rainy season and growth rate is less during the dry season. What is the reason to less growth rate is less during the dry season? What is the reason for that? Plants needs water to grow. So during the drought period, during the drought season, growth rate is low. Growth rate is less. Can you understand? As well as there are bushes, you can see here also. Bushes, these are bushes. Here you can see bushes. Here bushes. Height of bushes 2 to 3 meters. Here height of trees 2 to 3 meters. Here also you can see bushes in this picture also. Here bushes in this area, bushes 2 to 3 in height could be seen. They do not grow densely and there are tall trees at interval. They do not grow densely. This area, there's no trees in this area. So in this forest is not dense forest. What is the meaning dense? Dense. They do not grow densely.
Ganaka.
Oh, this one dense forest. Ganamanantarya. But very difficult to enter this kind of forest. There are plants, creepers, undergrowth, and several layers. So difficult to reach this type of forest. But here, it is very easy to reach this kind of forest because it is not a dense forest. Can you understand the dense forest? Huh? These are not dense forests. Dry mixed evergreen forests are not dense forests. Ganamanantarayak නෙමෙයි මේ යන්න පහසුයි. Ganamanantarayak නෙමෙයි. These they do not grow densely and there are tall trees at interval. පඳුරු තියෙනවා, grasslands තියෙනවා නේද? bushes grasslands අතරේ ඈතින් තමයි ගහක් තියෙන්නේ. But there's no interval between two trees here. There are bushes, plants, creepers between these two trees. Can you understand? Here there are tall trees at interval. Here interval. මේ ගස් දෙක අතර පරතරයක් තිබිලා තමයි ආයි විශාල ගහක් තියෙන්නේ. The forests are light green in color and there are hardwood trees. These are light green color. Light green color. Not dark green color like this one. Here dark green forest. But in tropical dry mix evergreen forest are light green color. Light green color. Okay, you write down the topic. You write down the topic. Dry mix evergreen forest. You write down the topic. Dry mix evergreen forest. Really, Mr. Sadaharita. Dry mix evergreen forest. Dry mix evergreen forest. Dry mix evergreen forest. Dry mix evergreen forest. Firstly, you draw the picture of dry green evergreen forest.
Madam, you got a topic here.
Did you write the topic? Okay, you write down the topic. Then firstly, you draw the dry mix evergreen forest. Huh? Then you can understand easily it. I think this picture is the short note. Can you understand? When you see this picture, you can understand about the forest. It is very easy to study and very easy to learn you, remember you. This not. So you have to draw this picture. Any subject, if you can draw picture related to subject matter, it is very easy to study you. It is very easy to remember you. Light green color. There's an interval between two trees. This forest is not a dense forest. There are bushes like this way. And grasslands. There are no creepers and undergrowth like tropical rainforest. Because this forest is not a dense forest. Here you mark the height of trees, 20 to 30 meters. 20 to 30 meters. Then you mark the height of bushes. Height of bushes. Height of bushes 2 to 3 meters. No need to write very large note. You can understand according to this picture. This is the method of remember this kind of notes. Color also, you can use your color pencil, then you can see the color in this forest. You can understand. It is easy to remember you. Light green color. Light green color. Light green color. Have you finished? Have you finished? What are the type of trees that can be seen in this type of forest? Here you write down type of trees. What are the type of trees? Ebony, Magosa, Veera, Thek, Suryamana, Milla, Palu. satinwood buruta, ebony kalwara, magosa kohomba, veera teka suryamana milla palu. You write down this question. Write the first question. Write the distribution of dry mix evergreen forest. Write the distribution of dry mix evergreen forest. Now you write down. Now you write down. Write the distribution of dry mix evergreen forest. Now you write down. Have you finished? Firstly, you write down distributed low country dry zone. Firstly, you write down low country dry zone. Low country dry zone. Then you write down example for that. So, Mavatiya, Vilpattu, Maduroya, Udabalava, Vasgamua, flood plains of river Mahavali, Yala. Second question you write down. Name the kinds of trees that can be seen in dry mix evergreen forests. Name the kind of trees that can be seen in dry mix evergreen forests. Mention 4 features of vegetation. You write down. Mention 4 features of vegetation. Mention 4 features of vegetation. Mention 4 features of vegetation. Did you write the answer for this one? According to this picture, you can write down the features. Look at this picture and write down the features. Height of the trees between 20 to 30 meters. Trees grow during rainy period. You can't see it in this picture, but you know it because this area dry zone. Trees grow during rainy season and growth rate is less during the dry season. But you can write down this point. This one here, bushes, height of bushes of 2 meters to 3 meters. Bushes of 2 meters to 3 meters in height could be seen. As well as these forests, they do not grow densely and trees are tall trees at interval. There are tall trees. Here you can see trees. There are tall trees at interval. At intervals. මේ පරතරයක් ඇතුව තමයි උසගස් තියෙන්නේ. නැත්තම් තියෙන මොනවාද? What are the bushes and grasslands? The forests are light green color. You can see it in this picture also. Light green color. If you can draw picture for any, not only geography, any other subject also, if you can draw a picture, then it is very easy to understand and very easy to remember you. You try to do it. When you draw, write short notes, you can draw picture. If you can draw picture, it is very easy to understand and very easy to remember. Have you finished?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Did you write answer for this one? These 3 questions. Did you write answer for these 3 questions?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Then we have to discuss about the next topic. Next type of forest. Here. Here you can see next type of forest. Intermediate evergreen forest. Intermediate evergreen forest. You write down the topic. Intermediate evergreen forests. Areas of distribution, these forests can be seen in the transitional zone, that is separates the wet zone and dry zone. Kurunegala, Badulla, Matale, Tangol. Transitional area. Here you can see, we can understand this area according to this map. Here you can see this area here. In this area boundary, Kurunegala. Here Badul. Then Matale, here this area, Matale, Badul, here Badul. Tangol here. These are the areas. Intermediate evergreen forests. These forests can be seen in the transitional zone that separate wet zone and dry zone. This area, you know, wet zone. Here, dry zone. This area, intermediate evergreen forests, are located between wet zone and dry zone. Here, wet zone, here, dry zone. Can you see it clearly in this map? Can you understand what I am saying? This region, here dry zone, this area wet zone. Now we are discussing about the intermediate, this area, intermediate evergreen forest. Intermediate evergreen forests are located between dry zone and wet zone. I think you can understand it here. These are the areas. Now we are discussing. We are discussing the forest type that is which are located in this area. What are the areas? Then here you know the area Kurunagal. Here Kurunagal. Here Kurunagal. You can see Kurunagal here. Then Badul. Here Badul. Matale. Matale. Here Matale in this area. Matale. Tangol. Here Tangol. These are the areas, distributed areas. What are the type of trees? Trees can be seen, trees which are